Hey guys, you are watching this video because you want to know how you can make money with Feed Agent and how Feed Agent works. In this video, I will tell you everything that you need to know about Feed Agent and if it's worth it. If it's your first time to my channel, my name is Frank Chanda. I'm an online entrepreneur and affiliate coach. I give tips and training on how to make money online. I also review other programs that claim to help people to make money online. Therefore, you need to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification next to it. Whenever I upload a video like this, you'll be the first one to get my notification. Before I start with this Feed Agent review, I have to show you another program that will teach you step by step and on how to build a revenue website and start making passive income from home. This same training helped me to build a successful online business and quit Uber Eats delivery. You can see me right here. This is me. So let me show you the program and you can sign up for free and learn step by step how you can make money online. Hey guys, here I'm inside with affiliate dashboard. This is the platform that will teach you step by step on how to build your online business and start making money from home. So this training helped me a lot. This is a free account that I just created so I can show you the inside of Wave Affiliate if you are interested in making money online. I'll put a link in the description so you can drive test the program and see if it's what you are looking for. But if it's not what you are looking for, you are free to go. It doesn't require any credit card to register with this training. You can see here I'm inside the dashboard. You can click here training. So there is Wave Affiliate offer two sort of training. One is the online entrepreneur certification. It has 5 courses and 50 lessons. This training teach you how you can build your online business in absolutely any need. If you have a passion, you have an interest, you can build a business around it without owning any product. You can see here the free lesson is just the basics that will help you to understand the process of building an online business. You can see you can come and complete it and understand the process of making money online. You can see in each lesson there is tasks. You can see there is 7 tasks here to complete. There is 35 tasks to complete and so on. So there is also a affiliate bootcamp. Affiliate bootcamp, you can see here is 7 courses with 17 lessons. This course teach you how you can promote Wave Affiliate and start making commission. They will teach you everything that you can build your own website and start promoting Wave Affiliate and make recurring income. I'll put a link in the description so you can join to my affiliate link. And if you decide to upgrade to a premium member, I will be your coach and I will help you in the process of building a successful business online. Every lesson there is tasks that you need to complete and understand the entire process of making money online. This is a community that you need to be part of it and learn how to make money online. You can see here you can create your own free website. You can have your free domain and start building your own website. You can see you can choose any template that you want and start building your website. There is beautiful template and start making money online. This is a good platform that you need to register and start building your own business. In this community, there are people around the world that they have registered and build a successful business online. You can ask them any question. They are willing to assist you. You see, there are many people and many people are making money online. You see, there is many posts, there is many successful stories. So you can come here and register. Very interesting, right? You can draft test the program for free and see if it's what you are looking for. I will put the link in the description so you can try it out. So now let's talk about Feed Agent and what you need to expect when you sign up with Feed Agent. Hey guys, as you can see on my screen, this is a Feed Agent website. We connect work with Weka to offer data collection and digital marketing service anyone, anywhere, anytime, and completely on demand. So basically, you have to download the app, and you download the app on Google Play Store or on Play Store if you are using an iPhone. Once you download the app, you need to register with Field Agent. They will ask you few questions that you need to complete before you start receiving job. So the job, it will be about sending you on a mission, like visiting a restaurant or visiting a store. Basically, it's like you are a auditor. You have to go maybe to the restaurant and check what they are doing. You must also take picture and upload it in the app. There is task that you need to complete. It's like a job card that you need to complete, and once you complete those job cards and you get paid, you'll get paid between $5 to $10. It also depends on the task that you need to complete. Another thing that you need to know is you also gonna compete with other members, because Field Agent gonna send job to complete and you need to take it right away. But if you don't take it, other member, they will take it. So you see in the app, okay, there was a job but it's already done. If you want to register with a Field Agent and make a lot of money and pay your bills, I don't think it's a good gig that you need to do, because you aren't gonna earn much. You may complete 2 missions per day or 3 missions per day. It's not something that you can rely on it to make money. If you want to make serious money, you still have to think about the program that I showed you before. By the way, if you are here, you just want to earn few bucks by completing mission, you can try it out. It's completely free to register with the app and start completing mission and start making money. If you like this Field Agent review, share it with your friends and family. It will motivate me to make more videos like this and help you guys to make money online. If you have used Field Agents before, please leave your comment. Whether good or bad, it does not matter, as long as it helps my viewer to make an informed decision. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. You will never miss any of my videos.